Yes, e get wetin Baba Jesus talk. Wey be say people no really understand am. My brother, my sister, see wetin he talk. He say, anybody wey go follow am, make him forget himself, make he carry him own cross, make he follow am. Wetin be the matter? The matter wey I come talk today, my brother, my sister, be say, to follow Baba Jesus no be out of comfort, no be say everything dey set, because to follow Oga Jesus, e go cost you, na sacrifice. To obey am, na sacrifice. E go take something comot for your body, but that thing wey go comot for your body no be bad, no be say e go destroy you, but na something wey go help you. Na im be the matter. So the last wetin I dey talk be say, for this portion wey we don see so, when you settle down make you reason am, anybody wey go follow am, e go get him carry him own, take him own time forget himself, carry him own cross, follow Oga Jesus every day by day. Meaning say, no be for comfort, no be enjoyment, na for obedience, and obedience go cost you, but e no go leave you empty, e no go leave you anyhow. E go always add better thing to your life. Na so the matter be. Because real faith no be everything. Real faith na the only thing wey dey. May God help you today. Amen.